5 days na ata ako. Tomorrow may shooting ulit. Enjoy kami.
Kamusta po yung experience ng pag... Kasi di ba nakita po namin na nagpunta po sa mga different bars.
Yeah.
Nagpo-party. Kamusta po yung experience?
Masaya ako fascinating for me kasi hindi ko na yung ginagawa eh. Tagal na, ilang taon na, di ba? So, nakikita ko rin what the club life is like now in present time. Hindi naman siya masyadong naiiba sa nung time ko. Pero, iba lang ang music, iba yung culture ng konti, ganyan.
Tingin ko lang po yung about sa character niyo sa movie. Since fashion designer po kayo.
Naging byuda na may 2 anak who are in college and wants to start brand new, wants to do something with her life. And the first love niya was fashion design. That's why she ended up pursuing that. And then in along the way, na-meet niya si Colleen at saka si PJ Piolo.
Kamusta po yung working experience with Mr. Piolo po? First time niyo po ba
Yes, my first time. It's my first time to work with Piolo this way. So, it's so far, it's really been a delight. It's, as well as with Direct Gino. Lahat kami nag-enjoy.
With Colleen naman po? First time niyo na po?
Yes, it's also my first time to work with Colleen. I think, so far, konti lang eksena namin together. But there was one scene that we shot together. Okay naman. I mean, it's only been 1-2 days, so I cannot... I mean, all I can say is that we're having fun. So I suppose we will have more fun.
You said po sa story conference na medyo light lang po itong movie na to.
Yes.
Can you elaborate po kung gaano?
Yeah, it's just a light romance.
Light romance. Last na po, Holy Week plans na po yung story.
Wala pa kami plan. Siguro sa bahay lang kami.
Alright po, thank you.
Thanks.